Here's a look at what's happening for the rest of the evening. The temperatures are going to slide back into the mid-50s. Clouds staying with us, but I think we're dry, friends. All the rain has been moving out to the east, and what we have been dealing with is, the gusty winds out of the southwest. That's helping to hold the temperatures up in the upper 60s to near 70 at this hour. But the other interesting part of that is that it's a southwest wind that is coming in behind a frontal boundary. We had the rain, a few rumbles of thunder that passed through earlier. That continues to move out through New York and Pennsylvania, and so behind that we just have drier air that's been moving in, so it sets us up for a beautiful evening. And you can't help but think, okay, well, wait, we had a front come through. What's next? Well, the storm system that spawned the front, the kind of the mothership of the whole thing, is sitting up here in the northern plains, and yes, it is still cranking out snow for portions of the Dakotas and Minnesota. They have just been brutally beat down by this thing. It's more of a punch to the gut and a mental punch than an actual literal weather punch, because they're used to dealing with snow. But this whole storm is going northeast, so we have to look to the south to see our next storm system. And unfortunately, this thing is just beginning. Tomorrow we will see a whole new ball game coming out of the deep south that will be coming our way, and it basically sets us up for a soaker of a Sunday. So let's go hour by hour through the weekend. We will see the variable cloudiness as we head through the overnight hours. Temperatures will be in the 50s. We're going to hold on to that southwest wind, though. Early morning temperatures in the 40s. If you're up at it early, going to be headed out for a jog or whatnot. And temperatures tomorrow will quickly get back into the 50s and probably clip into the 60s in most locations. We may have a little bit of a lake breeze that comes in, but I think for the most part we will end up having a nice stiff southwest breeze that kind of helps to hold that at bay. Notice we're still dry Saturday evening, so we really are primed for a great start to the weekend. And then you can see the winds change late Saturday night. And then those winds come out of the northeast. And the reason the winds come out of the northeast is because, remember, wind points toward low pressure, and the area of low pressure that is going to be really building in the deep south on Saturday is going to start to move our way. So it will push a whole bunch of rain and thunderstorm chances our way for Sunday. I think we will get some dry breaks, but watch what happens in the afternoon and the evening. Now we're talking thunderstorms. Some of the storms Sunday afternoon and evening, especially south of Cleveland, could be strong. Look at the temperature difference. Northeast winds off the lake, southwest winds over the southern portion of the area. Where we have the heat, that's where we have the best chance to have the thunderstorms. So a heads up for everybody south for afternoon and evening on Sunday. Here's the rest of your Universal Windows Direct forecast. Once we get through the weekend, it'll be cool on Monday with showers lingering, and then we're going to boost the temperatures right back up toward the 70s by the middle of next week, and we'll have a whole nother round of rain and rumbles coming our way on Thursday. Drew?
It's been said, April showers. Betsy, thanks.